Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing crochet in this video, and I'll be using the Lulutress hair from Sam's Beauty. Details will be in my description box. I'll use the water wave in 12 inches, just 3 packs of that, and 1 pack of the deep wave in 12 inches as well. This is the curl pattern. Ironically, the deep wave is the looser curls and the water wave is the deeper curls. So my cornrow pattern is cornrows going back, and then I did 2 chunky flat twists going up to meet the cornrows in the middle, and I did a huge cornrow going across my hair from ear to ear. So that is the cornrow pattern, or the braid pattern, for this crochet. So I will start off by using the water wave, and I will separate the the curl in 2, and then I will go ahead and use the regular crochet installation technique to install these hair. Okay, so one thing I will let you know is be very careful when you're separating the curls, because especially with the water wave, the curl pattern is very coily, so you want to be extremely careful so you don't get the raggedy hair I have in my hands right now. It's not as neat, it's not as clean, but that's okay. I learned my lesson by separating this first one. So just so you know, be very careful, be extra careful when you're separating the curls. So for the back of the hair, I'll be using the regular crochet installation technique. I didn't knot it or anything, but towards the front I use a different technique. I did like a double knot for the water wave, and then I did like a triple knot for the deep wave, because the deep wave is more it's more silky, so it slips off easily. So I went on ahead and did a triple knot with that one. I will show you guys when I get to the front how I went about knotting the hair. Okay, so I sped through the video and I have most of it done. I have only 2 cornrows left in the front, but I'll show you guys how I went about knotting the hair. So I put the hook through, grab the hair, open the hole, insert the hair through the hole. That is a little sexual, but yeah. And then for the second knot, I only grab one part of the hair and then lock it or secure it. So that is how I did a single knot, or a double knot actually, with the water wave. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys again one more time. I went ahead, put the hook through, grabbed the hair, pull it under my cornrows, and then opened it, pull the hair through the little hole, and then for the first knot, I didn't end there. I went ahead and grabbed just one part of the hair and then secured it. So I will also show you guys how I knotted the deep wave. So I went ahead and did the same thing, opened the hole, went in once, twice, and then the third knot I grabbed only one part of the hair and then secured it. So that's pretty much it. That is literally how I did like the front part of the hair. For the back part of the hair, I just did a single knot. The front part of the hair, I did double knot for the water wave and then triple knot for the deep wave. So that is pretty much it. If you have any questions, please DM me or comment down below in my description box, and I'll be happy to answer it. But I will speed through and I'll show you guys how I styled and cut the hair after I finished installing the crochet. So this is the final result. I have all the hairs in. I ended up using 3.5 packs of the water wave, and I used only 1 pack of the deep wave, and I'm absolutely loving it. But that is not it. I'm gonna bring the hair to life by cutting it and shaping it to suit my face. I feel like this is an essential step. You don't want to skip this step. So what I did was I moved all the hair to the front. So literally all the hair is in the front, and then because that's the only way I can see what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and layer it. It's looking a little dark because I think my camera was not focusing right. Okay, there we go, it's fixed. So yeah, I'm just gonna layer it. I did a layered cut from the top to the bottom to like layer it to give it a rounder shape towards the bottom. So that is exactly how I'm gonna go about this. I'm fluffing the hair to make sure that all the hairs are straight and nothing is hiding inside, coiled up or whatsoever. And then I went ahead and cut it to make sure that I get that layered round shape towards the end. So now I feel like I achieved the shape that I was going for on one side of the hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and tackle the other side. You guys can see the difference between the side that has been cut and the side that has not been cut at all. You can see like the difference. That side is looking more like to life and very pretty. So that's exactly what I'm trying to go for. I'll do the same thing that I did to the right side to the left side of my hair as well. So there you have it. I love it. This is exactly what I was going for. I was going for a much fuller look, and you know, the hidden deep wave in the back and in the mess of the hair is giving it more of a realistic look, and I really love how it came out. I love it. Yeah, so I will go ahead and do my edges. Secure my hair in place with a shoelace. That's what I love to use. I always use a shoelace to tie my hair. So I'll be using the Style Factor Edge Booster, and then I will go ahead and brush my naps before I lay my edges. And to lay my edges, I'll just be doing the swoop, 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 lay, swoop, 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 lay type thing. I'm still learning how to lay my edges, to be honest with you guys. I'm not like an expert or anything. So I just use like the edge brush, I dip it in the Style Factor, and I try to swoop my edges as much as I can. I have really coily hair, so the only edge control that really lays these things, tame them down and make them lay down all day, is the Edge Booster or Style Factor Edge Booster. The only thing I don't like about this edge control is it leaves white residues, and sometimes it makes my hair turn gray at my edges, and I don't really like that. I don't mess with that too much sometimes. Sometimes I just leave my edges to do its own thing, but because I'm recording and most of the time when I'm going out or hanging out and stuff like that, I want my edges to be tamed and look clean, so I use the Style Factor Edge Booster. I feel like they should do something about those white residues. I feel like all these edge controls leave the residues. If you guys know an edge control that does not leave a white residue on the edges, please comment down below and let me know. So, you know, give me some suggestions on what to use, because I don't want to look like an old lady. I still have a long way to go. Anyway, I'm talking too much. So yeah, I'm just swooping my edges down to make my edges look cleaner, and that's pretty much it. So I'll go ahead and untie the shoelace and then fluff my hair, style it, kind of make it look like even and give it like a more of a baboon, fluffy type curl. So I'm just gonna fluff, and done. And this is the final results. Let me know what you guys think about this hair, this look, in my comment section. Like if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to share with your friends, because I'm sure some of your friends have been looking for a curly natural hair, natural looking hairstyle. So share with your friends as much as possible, share with your family members, and leave a nice comment down below if you enjoyed this video as well. Don't forget to subscribe to join my family, because I'll be giving you guys more natural hair styles. I'm all about enhancing the natural look, so, or enhancing your natural hair, because some people's natural hair is not something that you can tame every single day. you know, leave out every single day. So you always want to do protective styles with certain natural hairs like mine. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel and join my little family. And thank you so much for watching. Anyway, this is the side part as well. It looks amazing. It looks great, just like the middle part. I love both. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know what your favorite is. If you like the center part better, let me know down below. If you like the side part better, let me know down below. And once again, thank you so much for joining, and thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you guys. And yay. Okay, have a great day, guys. Bye.